Thinking about sari draping as a profession was a very, very difficult task. I mean, to explain it to the whole world and to tell them that, hey, I have an art in me, was indeed the most difficult task for me. But then I thought when I can dream it, I can even make it up and prove myself. That's what I did. Hi friends, this is Dolly, a passionate drape artist. And today in this video, you will be seeing a very unique style of draping. The drape is called a mermaid style of draping. So you don't want to miss any of my videos, right? So before you do anything, go and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I've just done my basic tuck, and this drape is like a very unique drape that I'm going to teach you. Every time I come up with a drape, it is because of the situation or my client has demanded me something. I mean, it is the situation I think that has created some drapes. So this is one of them. I mean, it so happened that the mother of the bride, she wanted to wear a beautiful sari. The border, I mean the palla had beautiful embroidery, so we had to put it in front, like the way I'm going to show you. And she didn't want her skin to be visible. And she wanted to dance. I mean, all of these, I think, came up with this drape. So I've just done my basic tuck. I'm tucking the whole sari from behind. So till here, I mean till your navel, just do that tuck. And take a handful of material and tuck that part, tuck the fabric here. Now what you do is, take this from back and start pleating. See this. Throw, hold, throw, hold, throw, hold. And this is how I make my pleats. It's easy and it's convenient if I use these pegs. I mean, you can try using those, cloth pegs which we use in the, for our laundries. But I always feel these are customized, so I would prefer this. So just keep making your pleats. Keep making pleats. I mean, see, the pleats have to be really nice and neat for you to have that flawless drape. And it didn't come to me overnight. It's been 15 years of practice. So this is the length that we need to get. And after you've got that, just take a safety pin and secure the shoulder pleats. Like this. You can take off these pegs. Now what you need to do is take this fabric from here and leave a certain amount of cowl. I mean, see what I'm doing, if you can see that? Like this. See, this is the amount of cowl that you leave, and just tuck this in here. Okay? After you've got that, what you need to do here is, I mean, you've been doing regular pleats, but this is a very different way to pleat. Take both the fabrics together and pleat them together, making a box pleat. And just tuck the whole thing inside. You're making it, I mean, sometimes your sari will give you 2 pleats, 3 pleats, but not more than 3 pleats generally we get. So this, after you've done this, take this fabric from here, underneath your cowl which is here, this side, if you can see, this is what I'm doing. I'll just show you. This. Underneath my cowl, I pull the whole fabric and towards this side, and I come and I'm going to give her a... So take the sari from here, pull it down, give it a nice V shape, and take a safety pin and attach it here. And then just bring the sari back and shape your pleats beautifully on your bust so that every pleat is falling nice. This sari is from the designer the store W&W, which is in Calcutta. They have these beautiful saris. I mean, for weddings and all, I think you should come here and check out their collection. So let me just show you how I fix this. So I'm just making the pleats neat. And once I've done that, I'm just going to fix it with the blouse. Yeah, like this. And see, as I mentioned, the client who wanted me, this drape has full work, full embroidery, which is in front. She wants to dance, she wants her moves to be visible. Her moves are going to be visible, but not her skin. So this is the beauty of this drape, and this drape is known as the mermaid style of draping. I personally love this drape. I mean, if you want, you can even enhance it with an extra dupatta. And yeah, that's it. This is the drape, and if you want, if you're wearing something like a georgette or some fabric which is loose, I mean, see, this is staying in its place, but if you feel that the fabric or the pleats aren't staying in its place, you can always use a belt and secure your pleats. Yeah, secure all your pleats in place, and this is how it is done. I hope you liked it. Do try this drape and give me a feedback. I'm looking forward. Bye.